Hello students, welcome to Maths Time or Vidyavahini from the 10th Circles chapter, starting exercise 2. Today you are going to solve 4th, 5th and 6th problem. The 4th problem is prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. First, you have to prove that there are two tangents. The tangents drawn at the end points of a diameter of a circle. So first we will draw a circle and O is the center and we will draw a diameter AB and A and B are the end points of the diameter. So we will draw two tangents PQ at point A and RS at point B. We have to prove these two tangents PQ and RS are parallel. So given we will write AB diameter, PQ and RS are tangents at point of contact A and B. To prove PQ parallel to RS. So how shall we prove that? So when we are asked to prove the two lines parallel, then we may prove that by proving that either corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, or by interior angles property, that is the sum of interior angles. These angles is equal to 180 degree. Here we will prove first AB is a diameter. We will solve by simple sentence. AB is a diameter. So when AB is diameter, O is center, OA and OB are the radius. It implies OA and OB are radius. Next, what OA is radius means this OA is perpendicular to the tangent PQ at point A. That means OA is OA is radius perpendicular to AB, that is angle A equal to 90 degree. Similarly, OB is perpendicular to RS. That is radius is perpendicular to RS. According to the theorem, the angle B equal to 90 degree. So what we have shown? These two angles A and B are 90 degree. That we have shown here. That we will write. That is OA is perpendicular to PQ from this and OB is perpendicular to RS. What it implies? OA is perpendicular to PQ means angle A equal to 90 degree and here angle B equal to 90 degree. So when these two angles are 90 degree, these two angles are 90 degree, we will see observe in the figure PQ and RS are the lines and AB becomes transversal. Then these two A angle and B angle become the interior angles. So sum of interior angles, that is 90 plus 90, these two are 180. When the sum of interior angles is equal to 180, then automatically PQ is parallel to RS according to the parallel rays property. That we will write. That is angle A equal to 90 degree, that is angle PAB equal to 90 degree. Which one PAB? This PAB is equal to 90 degree and B equal to 90 degree here, that is RBA equal to 90 degree. Next step is what? We will add the interior angles, these two angles, that is angle PAB plus angle RBA equal to 90 plus 90. This is 180 degree. So what we get here? The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. A plus B. So when these are 180 degree, means these are the interior angles formed. But we have to write this in the sentence. What we will write? But angle PAB and angle RBA form interior angles for lines. For which lines? For lines PQ and RS. For lines PQ and RS and AB is transversal. So therefore, when the sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degree, we have to write these reasons in the sentences. Interior angles is 180 degree. It implies PQ is parallel to RS. So what are PQ and RS? PQ and RS are the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of the circle. It means we will write that sentence. The tangents drawn at the north center at the end of the diameter of a circle are parallel. So how we proved parallel? We proved parallel by proving these two angles. Interior angle, the sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So how 180 degree? OA is a radius, OB is a radius, and OA is perpendicular to PQ and OB is perpendicular to RS. So this is the fourth question. Next, fourth question of this exercise is prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So what we have to prove? We have to prove the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent. Here AB is a tangent and T is a point of contact and O is radius and P is a one point. Here prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact. Here one perpendicular is drawn. That is from the line PT we will draw a line perpendicular, that is 90 degree. PT is a separate line and to the circle passes through the center. Here PT is one line and OT is one line. O is the center of the circle. This OT is radius and P is one point, another point, and PT is also perpendicular to 90 degree. So we have to prove this PT passes through O, means PT passes through O, we have to prove. So how shall we prove? Means P is coincides with O. If we prove that, then PT passes through O, that we will prove. So given is AB is tangent, OT is radius and PT is perpendicular to AB. It is given perpendicular to the at the point of contact to the tangent. It is given, that is PT is equal to AB. So how shall we prove? First one is OT is radius. OT is radius and OT is perpendicular to tangent AB because it is according to the theorem. What theorem? A radius drawn from the point of contact to the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That is OT is perpendicular to AB. But PT is also perpendicular to AB. It is given. Since the point of contact T is same here, that is OT and PT. So both are same and angle is equal to for this 90 degree. Therefore O coincides with P. Therefore OT and PT are perpendicular to, they are perpendicular to same line, that is AB at point T. Means OT and PT are perpendicular to AB at the same point. T means what? O and P coincide. That is O and P coincide. Or OT passes through PT. So this is how we have proved. Next question is sixth one. The length of the tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So what is given? The length of the tangent from point A. So here in the circle AB is tangent. So the length of this tangent, here we have to split the question. the length of the tangent. So how is this tangent? From point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. So this is not 5 centimeter. What is the question? The length of the tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter. This point A is 5 centimeter from the center of the circle. From O, this A is 5 centimeter and length of the tangent is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle O. So how can we prove? The length of the tangent AB 4 centimeter, OA equal to 5. Find OB. So solution, OB is radius, AB is tangent. Therefore, OB is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, angle B equal to 90 degree. So when angle B equal to 90 degree, this is hypotenuse. OA is hypotenuse, that is OA square equal to OB square plus AB square. That is according to Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal to OB square plus AB square. We have to find OB square. OB square equal to OA square minus AB square. OA is 5 centimeter and AB is 4 centimeter. 5 5s are 25, 4 square is 16, that is 9. OB square equal to 9, therefore OB equal to square root of 9, that is 3 centimeter. That is the radius is equal to 3 centimeter. So these are the 3 problems from the exercise 2. Thank you.